Grandma sniffled, her nose turned red. She grabbed the tissue, then out she fled. Her sneeze sent teacups through the air. One spun and landed in Grandpa's hair. The cat flipped twice with startled eyes, then landed safe. What a surprise! But when she sneezed the third time loud, she soared up high above the crowd. Now Grandma floats just like a kite. We wave and cheer, hold on tight. Hold on tight.